Welcome, today I'm with Viomi Smart Kettle and I will show you how you can change temperature and warm time on this device. So at first we have to be connected with the Xiaomi home application. Just tap right here. When you are connected, you have to just select your kettle, put it on the stand and also plug to the electricity. When you make it, you will get this display turned on. Take a look. As you can see, it's turned on. So to change it manually, you can make it in the application by tapping on the water temperature. If it disappears, just go back and enter one more time. So click the water temperature, and here with the slider we can change the temperature of your water and the same of the keep warm time. That's how you can adjust it, by sliding upwards or downwards. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.